But who said DVLA boss? SA Obesi Drivers Hospital by end of year 2026. Julius Nikwe Kote. Papa bi the medical account. Me say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Enipa ba ko a wan hwe ni ye a. Obegu wa ba yanimu ase pa. Ne be wi ase no wan hwe obema na yesi fam. Eye Julius Nikwe Kote. Hwe ni ye. Hwe ni ye. Because DVLA kiss business cry muntimi nye. Even towing businesses cry, towing services no cry. Kamu de muhu rem crank muntimi nye. Car say isi kwa de kum nipa. Driving school business cry no cry muntimi fa muhu nshim private ones no mabie bia o mo de boam. Garage business impo no. You are moving to hospital. But me de makandada say this man sa contract bi na da ho no a say ya sign dada in 2024 nti on the ono an so implement no maka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama munhwehwem de nti America say munhwehwem ne say okay say OSP invite no say Julius Nikwe Kote say ono a claim say na nkamanfo bi be man 4 million Ghana cedis bribe. And that screen is so. Me say contract we munhwehwe mu yi. Because we cannot let over 3,000 people lose their jobs. Agencies and companies here. Oma akokrakra machines aba oma ye adwuma for over 30 years. Embossment. Omu lose omo livelihood. Ebi akokra mfidie e dey aba millions of dollars dey abegu oma nim dey be ye adwuma afa Ghana fo mabunu. I employ omo do omo ye adwuma no. Ye mo adwuma no nyina e mo omo saa. Because contract we are signed that the NTSC implementing. If the contract seems to be affecting livelihood, add any review. Because KG and NLA, you know, man penikura kasi in review. Tia deni in review ni answer the beboy. Media makanda daw. Dachi bi ebia ye botchira mo meka se we mese mu hwehwem. And I wish even the OSP to go in there. Now munko yes contracts in hwehwemu. Because matter say one Anderson bi ni abebrese bi ye transfer wo mo ne no manoma bi ensem bebre no ane na wase. I wish the OSP goes in there to DVLA issues. Na contract no so mampani mo review very important. Because cannot watch Emma over 3,000 people ni 46 yina company private companies no also fan crofo ye adwuma wo man mu no enye kwa. It will be bad. It will be a bad omen for the country. Unemployment no cry into me from 14 your kura ho as say age na 12.6 something. What the fan is roughly 13%. Yanko he ni ese be ma biso elusu o madwuma. Mo hwe ni ye. Especially with DVLA issues. Nhyira 104.5. Odi yenko.